Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I went to Golden Goose to check out some shoes, and I ended up leaving with a pair. Wasn't really planning on it, but today's Valentine's, and I figured, might as well get myself something. So let's go ahead, get right into it. Let me open up this bag, and we'll look at them. So in the bag, we got the box, and we also got, what is this? The receipt. So these came out to like $600 after tax or something like that. I went in wanting a different pair, but when I saw these, I went ahead and grabbed these instead. And taking a look at the box, it is the Superstar Classic with list. I don't know what the list is. I thought these were really cool because it had some different details on them than the other ones. I got these in a 44. I'm usually 11 and a half, 12, depending on the shoe. But with these, I went 44, which is, I guess, like an 11. Let's go ahead and open this up. Has some stuff right here. It comes with this passport here that has you authenticate the shoe and stuff like that. It also comes with this pretty nice dust bag. Let's go ahead and take it off. For a dream use, not designed for other activities. And then we'll finally get a look at the shoes here. I just went with the classic Superstars that they have. I thought these were really cool. They're not as dirty as the other ones. I didn't really want something super dirty like the ones that come torn and stuff like that. I don't mind doing that myself. So with these, they're just white and black. It says join our sustainable journey. They're pretty plain and simple, but that's kind of what I was going for. I just wanted something that was nice, a little bit nicer than what I have already, and went with these. So looking here, it does have some stuff here that says GGDB and then the Superstar. On the back heel, it says Golden Goose. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is kind of just pretty plain. Looks kind of like a Stan Smith, a little bit like some Vans, just pretty plain. I wanted something that was just white with the black star just so I could wear them with pretty much everything. And then what I really liked was on this, where it says the original Dream Sneakers Golden Goose. I thought that was really nice. It says dreamed in Venice. The insole here, as you see, it's a 44, and it says Superstar Golden Goose made in Italy. They do come with these really thick insoles, which people say are really comfortable. So I guess we'll see. I tried them on in store and they were pretty comfortable, nothing crazy, but for these, they're just gonna be like a nicer shoe that I can wear out. So I'm not looking for anything super comfortable. But yeah, I was pretty torn between these and Common Projects. I didn't really know what I wanted to get. I just wanted something that was gonna be a nicer sneaker to wear out. And with these, I feel like there's a little bit more detail on them and stuff like that. So I went with Golden Goose instead of Common Projects. But yeah, my mom got a pair a while back and she really likes hers. So I figured, I would do something like that. Wanted to get a nice pair of sneakers and went with these. I haven't really bought shoes in a while, which is why I haven't really uploaded anything in a minute, but I thought these were cool. Went ahead and picked them up. Wasn't really sure if I was gonna get anything when I went in there. I didn't know the men's from women's in there, but they did have these in my size, which was really good because I like this color. The other ones I was looking at were pretty much the same thing, just with a gray suede star. But I like these because it had the black leather star on them, and I figured, they're not as dirty as the other ones. The other ones had a lot of marks on them, stuff like that, which is cool to some people, but to me, I'd rather have some that aren't as worn looking. So I went with these, thought they were really nice, and went ahead and picked them up. Hey, but that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my new sneakers that I picked up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I know Golden Goose is not for everybody. Some people do not like that they come worn and stuff like that, but I really like the design. I thought these were cool. And like I said, between these and Common Projects, where they're pretty much the same silhouette, I went ahead and went with these. Hey, but that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch y'all next time.